Today is Saturday, June 17th, 2017. Now it's not very likely that I'm gonna see a tornado today, but storm chasing season is kind of coming to a close. Really disappointed that I missed that tornado in Wyoming the other day. So I'm gonna try to make up for it with the 2%. Heading west towards Davenport. This looks better than it tastes. I meant to say this tastes better than it. About 7 miles south of Rochelle, Illinois. I've just been hanging out here for the past 30 minutes, just kind of picking some dandelions and playing with these rocks here. That's kind of what I've been doing. I had this coming. There's nothing going on today, but I came anyway, and I just finished shooting that tree. And it looks like a tree from Africa. It's a very beautiful tree, actually. It looked better with a nice sunset. A couple of very small cells, storms, just passed north of me. They pretty much dissipated, but I think the outflow, the cool air from one of the dying storms, is kicking up a nice outflow boundary. This is cool air, is what caused this, I believe. And it's interacting with the warm, moist air. And I think we have another thunderstorm developing up here. After wasting a few more minutes at this exciting spot, I decided to keep heading west. A brand new supercell storm heading out of Clinton, Illinois had quickly grabbed my attention. About 10 miles south of Dixon, Illinois, it's 613. Pretty strong cell here. I don't really expect it to do anything, but it could, considering that there is about 70 miles north of me, there's a tornado warned cell. And here's what we're looking at. Not too bad. Up here, I'm not at the liberty to use two hands to scroll up for you, but there is a tornado warning on a cell that's out of the frame. So I'm hoping this storm here does something. This is it right here. This is you can see all the rain and some of the hail in it. There. So we're coming up on it and hoping it does something. It looks a little bit promising. So we'll see what happens. I'm near Rock Falls, Illinois. It's 6:32. CG's getting close. What a beautiful storm. Thing is crazy. Oh. Look at all this inflow right here. You can just see it just feeding right into the storm. We have some rotation in here. A few miles outside of Sublette, I think that's how you pronounce it, Illinois. It's kind of by Amboy. A few miles outside of Amboy, 6 or 7. This thing is appears to be losing a little bit of strength. It's gusted out over here. Still some upper level rotation. taken by all this rain. Well guys, calling it a day. Got a beautiful full rainbow here to finish the day off. Let's get out and take a quick look at that, and then gonna head home. Well guys, thank you for watching this vlog. Hopefully we'll get some more tornadoes this season. I'm sure we will. Today was fun. I got to see some pretty cool features. Very strong thunderstorm we saw. It was great. Let's head home.